WHUP administrative message. Declared for Chattooga and Floyd counties in Georgia. On September 4, 2022, heavy rainfall accumulated in parts of northwest Georgia, resulting in widespread flooding in Chattooga and Floyd counties. Due to the estimated 12 to 15 inches of rain, the severe weather event has caused and will likely continue to cause rivers to rise rapidly, causing significant localized downstream flooding. Multiple flash flood warnings and emergencies have been issued by the National Weather Service this morning into the afternoon hours. Flooding on roadways and low-lying areas is making travel extremely difficult. Multiple roads are flooded and impassable in Floyd County. Please heed all orders and instructions given by law enforcement or county officials. In addition to the flash flooding, the cities of Somerville and Menlo are asking water customers to conserve as much water as possible. The reservoirs in both cities are getting low, and water pumps are without power and underwater. It's unknown how long it will take to get them operational. The National Weather Service and local emergency management is asking to avoid all non-emergency travel, and for those already on the road to avoid flooded roadways. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.